Yes, I'm Aqua Baby Emra Bedrim on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. Multi TV Dig Boss on social live and so honum. If we are in an audio form a ato podcast, ubetimi akotibi so and pay for na seconds here and confirm Franco Trading Enterprise. You can say phone. Papa pa ni fie and one perform this Nokia Samsung iPhones and they say iPhone 16 aba. Efo, yeah, really send Papa just got to be. I want to be to enjoy for this day, Franco Trading Enterprise on Obama Boaba form. No, it's me to be. Their dome, I don't know. Was also the CCTV cameras and so abba. And it was smart TVs ranging from 32 to 55 inches. There were Franco air conditioning and also free 1.5 to 2.5 horsepower. Free 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 and at 0555 939 311 0555 939 311. Franco Trading Enterprises still phone papa FA and Wadum. Multimedia Group Limited afe Adance Travels. Akabum the Car Bank Trade Summit bro Dubai. Turkey and Dubai. So starting from October 25 to November 5. 2 weeks and a month to Yakoma Ajerfo and send your JD etie or Turkey and Dubai. Found Ebra Beshimwate. Na benyam faso de pa so. Se wadwume me local champion keke. Se wonkwa ba mu na $5 ni bi ebra Ghana. Upeso nya enkomodie bia fa sa ensimo frame 0270 302 245 0270 302 245 and 0261 513 534 0261 513 534 and 0266 074 379. Car Bank also forward together. Eric Ajay Atanase, deputy spokesperson at the mother running mate to John Ramani Mahama. Eric Bokodie. Campaign what you say?
Adom.
I'm for say Professor Nana Jane Opokwajba yan tenenka. Oye campaign way.
Why am I kaza?
I'm for Ghana for ne bisa.
Dedi kan mecha Adom TV ahefo nyina.
Yes.
Na baby a prof bi a mencha no. Chana no pe minim se e was series of engagements
okay.
Minim se by 10 na wa sha ase. Na mencha His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ono so no na probo Bono region. Nti enra no diwie a obabedu enra nwumre. Prof ye bo pro ko Ghana fan pi just last week NEF Western region e buy na ye call Central region obeka ya na fetu afashe no so nti ye ko fie oni omo kodi 2 days so say event na ba ko Friday and na ba ko Saturday ni nyina na ye wo Central nti ye ba back to Accra on Monday ya problem no so far so good nti e bi because we hu baby ene na ma na maintenance because e be do ye na no ye san ko tamale na honorable Harry na Idris ye launch the campaign na we say GM na ekobat because na obo no nti o ka say yani madam kone koy by a campaign said it and say a lot of activities are kaneno na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na yewo the national capital invitation ahodo ni na no for now dodo na madam na represent no
okay
because ono kwa owie baby okọ na o ma back nti bia we hu si yakọ Western yakọ na na constituencies with 3 days ni asan aba back ni abe engagement bi o ha ni asan ko back so we are doing very well.
I am submarine be.
We are doing very well. One say in quality. In sense, drove the multimedia. Ada munya report. Someone amunyi news. Enim de dia am. Na muyi. Na say muyi anka musa me kosen. Because JM team your multimedia reporter Kwame Black. Kwame ne wo ho ana me boa. E na ye team so mo another reporter no na me refinidi. And this will be a mama reporter.
Ni a the whole cry say Usani motim a whole media
obi a mama a reporter
refinity
there be meba na menka dem obi a reporter di mechi a hu de me ye de na
menka say me say amanfo bi say
but eno na menchire wo say ye adwuma ye koso totin bibia agro ne fom
enye ni nyane bam frem mu ana
oni nyina ba se mu yi dia other stations ni ye baby e wo omo publish your stories but say momo ye ne say the others ni ye no ma ye ne dia I think that's fine and asisifia de no nko na mo yi napo so no man the microphone na o sisifia no bi eno ana auto but let me tell you this okay I think the story topics na nkasa but me chia baby a pious enam hagide wo bi a me chia no already nice on say oye babunu to say me I am one person President Akufo-Addo Emma mabunu ni position me betena the same platform e commend no bonabaso na ye me dey because kaneno na na say future leaders and ya na leaders no and then ochina nyina but amanyo sema pious enam hagide eye no ogu MPP amanyo ko nanimu asepa o hwe mabunu te se kwasi kwatemo a omo ani abre so mpese omo soma amanyo ko no mane yakono no pious mu gu nanimu ase wo na no adenche e na okofa visa scandal issue by e no kra wo na obeka kire se ya clear o ye hu reported de clear ene pious e so bold say ogina ne constituency say mabunu ne to abama na ono ode nkofo kra akọ Australia na ente say US na wake up na ebeba no ode ombe kopi kwesi de em ya ne say Black Stars mu enkoyi na wo de omo hyebo okay enkofu ekote na omo kotwa tro kan ya qualify na ya kan
but as inti wo ka Black Stars say me say me say Minister of Fashion, Minister of Youth and Sports, at the Krata Abase
Stadium,
GFA, Ehunu CAF, number inspector, the Lagos Sports Stadium, not years, and no bit me Black Stars above.
Legon the Medema no see from no. There's another video a Pius at Chinsuku Kwada Kubuni fee. Omone house master back. And we catch almost almost pay at Krana. Obetimi aboa momonye eziat nti ene aban ya point is mo na mo gi eziat man kwala Eric nti nkwala na omko free SHS na ye den omko pie Pius fee because the way they behave Mamelande oh na Mamelande obi obi ya no sentina me ka no nti me lande no say sune ban no they should stop it okay Pius oko NYA o said then National Youth Authority ena agu ye ni madwuma omo ye ye do ko deputy sports ena okoso a nsentwerofo omo ye party agents ko say multimedia na motag nyina wo mu ye print multimedia tag ne ye de ato branch aman ko nti okoni ebisa ne station a onim say no kra ne da ne ko these were the things you did okay so why are you embarrassing the nation and the government like that
me da say kwasi bako de
me ho ya pa
me say ministry to say
oh yes Adom bibia e bako say em say abana ni so ade ho say wode ngomesua ebe se sa oman no fapem no man impuntu no man dachi eno ho adwuma na ye no akra be ba mu studio ha em say na custom innovation bi ho asem tiga kra eguso a reposition Ghana's education sector no to be able to make sure say ebenya impact on the socio-economic transformation
pious video no wo
me ho
you ko share students no
me ho
what team unsem
na meti
eseni
Sebio, because say immediate because menye pious spokesperson. But the mechanic say can we pay the full opportunity to listen to and come across so nyina so that be a message situated in a very proper context. When you sure say come on nyina and say we share will be our say we promise that because in the first place as a member of parliament or even okura will present to me unni when I'm say we a member of parliament okura say will be a present to me you don't even have the capacity. Who needs our authority to even issue exeat to people? There are structures, lay down structures, Ghana Education Services, CCA mono. Kurano come e school ho. Ye ko school ni na nye member of parliament and I say obi a pray and so I say me nye bi a nkomo ni nyina no ho contest ko de ka but
what is some meeting anyway? The pious free and in school.
I have no idea. I no pay na me say Eric post to Facebook. I no pay na me maybe na me I can't confirm. No. Me, I speak for a ministry. I speak for a ministry. I speak for a ministry. Is that the point? I'm sorry, I'm Jim Kabaha. Until I say me call. Get the confirmation. Eric T. I also me confirmation. Then based on that, I have briefing and I'm able to speak to it. But where I'm sure say
it's a double track and your crew of Pious fee.
Double track me.
And Kalano, so my break a honor. And man, wanna be money.
First of all, no. Me, I'm
from
Wakofa double track in Wansama Bay.
Okay.
My main and can of is double track is the most novel intervention within the education
my
sector.
idea.
So,
the most novel.
Because medicine, they can say,
my idea.
Oh, Minya, so fanase capacity out to me for 10,000 students.
Yeah.
Now, Ubetima in 15,000. Then all what you do is say you introduce a tracking system. At the same time, now we increase the access. You also make sure that there is quality. What is so wrong with that?
Okay.
How about the internet?
My idea.
He said, "Who a year more as a more painted picture? We said double track was a bad thing. Hey, and but you have to separate double track from be a pious or students. And politics, politicians go to campuses.
But I will say something that the ministry will take up. We'll see a find out say.
Yeah, obviously, we'll get the full details and the ministry will communicate same. We'll get the full details. But I know say I need a proper briefing on it.
When you say what me that damage mu mo yina no pay.
Eric Ajay.
Mejimudi mo.
What's the part of oni authority? Nti when that there say o piepia do.
Eric Alam say Friday the minister say ye ba be shem kenabiem na mampani enura. Omo meeting omo ne regional ministers near na manako wiem say the regional ministers no should take charge. Na make sure say galamsey ko no yetimi asa to so. Esa. CS so ebo entrainer say ahia omo so betu ogu mountain so. No mark strike because of the way I galamsey. So for enso do omo agi sa esense we mo.
Yeah, because medasi je say galamsey no minim say ye sha say free baby e be confree na say baby edu yenim na President Akufo-Addo abamu nipa madi ne ho ya pa ba akon ya buginapo. All the ministers, he is the worst.
Oh, how?
He came to make money. Meba. Oh, kwasi meba.
These two persons.
Abuginapo as a young person, you had never ministry one. Some of us, somebody can come in position on say kwasi party mu depots wa mama. I'm
patronizing
me bebuno. Me hu sa na man manage because ochena bia na ye me. But all depends on the adwuma na ma wa se de obesi aye no. Eno nso na motivate say mabunu na ye ma ye adwuma yetimi ye no ochena bia ban bi ba ono nso etimi de bia ma mabunu. This ministry Peter Mewuko meboa. And I could cross my now ambassador to India, Bono, former regional minister, on so call. And a president then a doba, a bujin upon so call. The three ministers now, my bono. Why pensioner galam say your ways? Be honest. You're a journalist. A bujin upon. Honorable Asmatre Peter Mewu. Why pensioner galam say yet so rampant in the system? A bujin upon. Oh, abuginapo minim de ope wo wiase. Opri wiase sika ne japade nyina wo da wan. Meba, enye personal, Oh, I am not personal. I am discussing the ministry. I have the oversight responsibility. Meba.
Eric.
That's why you two personal.
Enye personal.
So we sir. That why manakwa say
meba
there's an issue
me dey atonche me ni asem but me dey any say you are the sector minister.
Yeah.
Oh, oversight responsibility, minister for lands and natural resources.
Yeah.
And now obey minister for lands and Ekroma state lands in aya for masan. Obey minister for lands and natural resources and a forest reserve e ho na mining activities e cause more. Okay. Obey minister for lands and natural resources yen so ina say. So whom do I blame much? President Akufo-Addo nkwantimi ye adwuma nti no pa nkofo kan ho no. And you, now you're deputy chief of staff. Oh, you're ne doba. Obi ebe chief of staff and a deputy no. Na only president na nkasa was some relationship bi wo gidie bi wo mu. Ana meboa. Ene hwede ode aye Ghana. Na me ade ba ko eye me ye okurum ha ne say. Ye politicians no, let me put it that way. Me nam ho na unim said de mete whether I have it or not, you know. Watching obi ba aban mu na ofum o manager pade na ya sign hoahoa no e na minister we di o sika we wanya cash onye minister no woden then na no mo wo and the dollars na gu o mo pass. No wonder say all these ministers apart from Antidapa ba akona ono so na dollar gu nim pass ya yesi ni fie ni nka ehye no ya ye man national security e molesting kwala na ye kumba me ba ye galamsey ministers no asem na me can stop it mo wie sika wo just ade bia nsomo nye sika ni bra galamsey we nye omo na ye nti na the regional ministers na ko fight ko bi o kire da ko ka ho bi western regional minister o ka ho hwe kai duka e ka ho
on the campaign chairman for
the mining committee adena tija wo ye ne hwe nye yi me na me ka kire o because these are elements omudi galamsey no galamsey hono de da you know baby o mine dru no last week ye ko western region me a video bi kwasi se wo prince no de aya me donyame o hatasro na sa wo ye batwema ahwe a obesu o de opa man ka say bia me na me body mo ye me de change the environment from here na go somewhere those regions no so start to dware nsu na wo pete mo about 3 days obe hu sa wo feel something different e wo body I'm telling you. Yeah. And we know all these things are happening. Galamsey wo mampani akonwa anka so oteso de to so ekosi sen. And then na me hwe abugina po anope no address I don't know whether the media also. Yeah. Say TUC for say omun declare state of emergency. O hwe ne kasa na o say too draconian. Chese anu e hye ne ade. Ntumo pese ye duru hemfa bi. Water is life. Nti President Akufo-Addo ntimi anya ya japade bia o Ghana. We deplete resources in area. In so the beja Ghana for amaya no makonso nya ensu. Ensu common water. Upon all the hardship, giant so kekene no ne ntenase. Okay. And then your forest reserve we kroma nyina mo say no.
John Mahama ba.
Meba John Mahama beba na o ma ye na ensu no se ne yensia no. Na oba na ensu ni wa na oba obeyeden. What am I say? All these measures, your manifesto policy, upa me send it say by yama. But hen ye was see baby ye green no. Are we talking on how to stop it or the by because we don't have the power to stop it now. Masa, baby ye do na no edin. Na me de ye me ya ne say media for no. Mo na moko start ntokwa we nyina ana me boa. E na mampani de ne ho baji. Problem ni nyina ne so de ne ho baji nso obeboa mo. So ma mo nko akora say mo ye mo cover ni ade bia nka ni pejae. But then who be gym no akasa o agents na assigns e o forest o because untumi mo adwuma o mo ye they are all galamsey yes uni ha ana abugina pokuru ya akonta mining issue ne buy o ka say nyom na ma untumi permit president ko program bi okumase o so okay wan ko sign untumi ti
say as of the time
no more investigations are no more ye ada na o clear ni pasa when say pious ogu wani wase pious say o clear no say wan fo obi anko Australia enra pious so di nipa be 60 na koye Intimo de aban na motimo aye mo concern connection man for aban. Ade base you timu. That is what you do. Why?
I mean, I don't want to really stress on it. Okay. Onye madam for somebody I have a personal relationship with, but sebi obi a amanyo semu di hu a ye chia oni akoye nim. Sebi obi kura sha obo say ye de nipa ekọ work up na nkasa no. You qualify. So I don't think I mean there are more relevant issues or say di hu nkomo. Oh, TV so can work with Jamaican TV. So me impressive for. As for German for you impressive for. Me engage you at your level. My classmates no. Yeah. And in come I di ye level. Be a tia sefa. Say asema ye ken. Yeah. Say be blue. World Cup na nkasa no qualify.
Ebe den na
you see granted say qualify World Cup.
Last time ebe den na kudus nya bo. On say go when the cast listening power dey omoko.
Eric what you from time.
At least we are.
No, I'm saying say granted say
yeah granted waka.
Oh, opening mama nkasa mpacho control no. They make kind say pious kasa ampa with the hope or expectation say you qualify for World Cup no krana. It is not really out of place. Okay. He's in the right place to even make a such promise because your cap promises are not campaign. Look at the category of people. This were, I mean, students and some constituency youth.
Unemployment.
Eric. One more. Oh, Eric. Oh yes, I mean, what have you said? The point I'm making is or interrupted them at 10. Me say Pius making such a promise, he is not out of place. What is the basis in Jamaica, sir? In him say when it comes to such opportunities like that, unless of course we are pretending, even both political device, one more was also Munyebi. even one more minority in parliament cry no say the nkrofo say be a sports near there most of the times come enim say MPs be a 5 slots 2 slots near the party for call and if somebody have an expectation say o man no yetimi call world cup or USA the constituency no or promise so dem go what is so wrong with that that's what I'm saying so see a play so much politics with data you bit my play but within the context of reality near politics here Eric mo na mo ba power which is more ba munya akwanya ba power near kwa afcons abo de nkofo be be fa mo MPs so and if I'm a parliamentary candidate policy no this is pious no this is pious separating from asama
pious CEO
oh interruptions no say one day host na CEO me on the flow nti ma me flow they make kind of say o kan sampa now, person, the politics of it, where I take the position or the position of an MPP communicator. Now, find DC communicator said, "Oh, for political points." And what he did is not really out of place because maybe you wouldn't say, "That's a woman, school placement don't frame me." Now school placement don't frame me. All person no tia buy no.
Me friend say me come for abedin kan. Mun place o mo no mo kwa o say me friend I come from. Me come for the Independence Square no mo tu ni kasa na me say kwasi. Mun hwe yi o.
Now you go work up. You go work up. All you say MPD mo fa the because on the illegal because I mean on Galamsey no for me is a very emotional subject. And first of all, no, you can't say be a yemfa amanyosemu free man. Sometimes be obi bedwin say waban was so entina or kasano. But me can say the most biggest threat against our environment, particularly when it comes to Galamsey and Komona, it is not really whether or not we feel as a people to fight it, whether it's even a collective failure or something, but it has more to do with the politicization of it. Now, me can say, me asante atem domi abana me free.
Yeah.
Konongo na me ko primary school. Fiti class 3 eba be secondary school. Konongo na me ko school. Unu se Konongo ya mining town. Yeah. Me sa bra me ya kura kete 8 years. Me start ko school wo Konongo nyina be si ene na me ni fi nyina. Abaya ko. The minim ni say majority of the people in Konongo mining activities. Of course, there are excesses. Ubenya the illegal mining, some form of legal mining activities. It is asuma maker in say you train Galamsey hunkoma or mining hunkoma na say whether illegal or legal na enye nasem. Abaya ko. But every day it looks like the problem persists. So they say the free baby every time the problem persists. They also make us say when you talk about mining me and my name look like say all mining activities are illegal. Small scale mining activities in this country are very illegal. But it has to talk, the most important question we have to ask ourselves, it has to do with regulations, whether they are not enforced or not. But Krumhana, they may kind of say, by a general performance on enforcement on regulations, and then you're mining, and maybe some way, somehow, collectively feel as a people. Okay? For road safety, a general performance. When say create a woman, say MPP, say NDC, car can say yeah. We do traffic light or which all you need to do is say, "O da land kusem." Now the be have blue light be there. I send him. Yeah, road safety regulations. So, yeah, busu. Yen can't wasem. Kroma, say police in GV. Said the in the womb. You need no problem.
Penancy na IGP ma order so munya DV no muja ntomo.
GV. Government police. Eti se me kwasi kwa se bi kura government ka be dey aba adwuma. Yeah. The easiest way I'm person me at the bonnet say metrema me twem obi anya dey. E general performance no. Free honor bra be say sanitation. Kro we a team. Wona ma obi ti me to ade to form. Obi en ho oka. Obi en ho aye che no. The general performance on certain laws are very weak as a people. Oko Galamsey is almost the same. But the amount Galamsey any mumu kwa say dey say more or less like people's livelihood also depends on it. Until you have to strike the balance. Because there is a balance between the economic fortunes of a group of people and also making sure that you are protecting the environment. Whether you like it or not, until your bedroom maybe as a people will make sure say the fight against Galamsey, they find politicians and because politicians, so far as economic outcome of being individual be tied to it, and once I'm kaya because my Sunday for your video BCC now opa me the better. video no NDC 2020 campaign one mo enam western region ho Kwaku Boahen ohui no
no kita pinkas no tu amana
Kwaku Boahen no
ye galamsey na o bi kan we
galamsey na do air fight no kwasi ono no time the NDC time the ono be shemu kana manko fire dey aye Eric if you look at the electoral fortunes and the electoral outcomes of MPP wo ha affect ye sa Menfi takwa Prisia Huni Valley no nyina affect we lose all the seats it make us some chill if you are NPP at this time na galamsey hu nkomo ba particularly when you say obi you as a political tool against you now posture towards the fight against galamsey in bed and they say and I'm saying say a fight galamsey now of course we can do blame games and where fan form go to Google Google galamsey you realize a predate even before Nkrumah's time to the extent say before abroad no background some form of mine and any regulations and say some form of regulations one any pemuso any sukra na yede ewo ho this has been no I want to learn the person can say this is more or less like a corporate or systemic non-performance when it comes to our, no I'm not saying that what I'm saying is say a person di hu komo pa one you build the system a budget the fight against galamsey and every politician system and politically exposed individuals whether you are in power or you are not in power. When you build systems and institutions, of course, at the end of the day, it still relies on leadership. Okay. At the end of the day, Eric, Mami fancy. Yes, I can say. There's make a question and say, Eric Betrahe, or China, if they are in power, we are also likely to do the same. Okay. So the fight against galamsey has failed because I did a predating Nkrumah's time up till now. Almost at TB. If they were able to finish that, come on, when you talk about the fight against galamsey, say be any event, a process, you know, there has been moments that obenya good outcomes. And so no, maybe in check where I need to say. Now you are I say. So you have your own successes, you have your own failures. And that has been systemic, irrespective of my be ever. To me, question is okay, say galamsey who asema. Asema meka nyina say let's depoliticize this. Okay. Ye new politicians in free mo. Institutions are one more responsible. No, the media and all of us should now be directing our energies to them. And make sure say A, B, C, D, institution A, institution B, institution C, no. More fight galamsey. Many politicians in frame, and I'm sure we'll be able to make a significant progress. And yes, sir, a better merry go ranting. Papa we babeka. One more about 30 so can fair obodu obo so beka chom so munya na intimi empamomo. We mo bomb baby Jeffrey himself. And that has been the biggest problem of galamsey.
A head of public affairs of Ministry of Education. Adom Mpenpensenmu. Na ye ba fact check we name sa na Eric Ajeni kwasikwate atu akomodo so bedwam so ni e ba ise ye ma akọ ba bi emi ni se amanfo awi ni awi ba bi aduru so ye fact check ye be hwe ensema oduru a amanfo ka in this campaign tree a enokre no mo ha ho mo nam ka ye ne enye nokre ye be ka de acho be ka se best brain publications akofa ehuma makoma nsia e de aba edwaso unya bia be bo ye pa ne di kan e ye creativity and imagination, student leadership, citizenship, critical thinking and problem solving, digital literacy, collaboration, communication. We yina ngoma na campaign for ag area tum. Bookshop bia beko bia no sabeke bi ato wona pedu no tum frame 0507 200 200 and 0504 200 300. Best brain publication, tomorrow education today. Minya not about not about there.
Minya akwesi bibia boko.
Yere yamiase. So and that's an outro for your another Thursday. Minya hwe. You see two claims here ye de wodwuma. First claim there.
Okay, the Adom TV, Adom FM ni Adom Brands. Any dubawa ye kan nyina ne say eya ahwefo enya we omondo omo so. Amanyofo ne be kan sem bebre. Amutie radio, amuhwe TV a, amunye careful. Amuhwehwe nseni mu ansa no beje di omayeden. Omaje edi. Enti na Adom TV any dubawa. There were two claims here, bro. And then same claim one. Mampanyi dada mahama. Okojina simpie so our campaign ewo nkwaben. Nkwaben ye nkranza south. Okasa ni muna okase oh. Ewom se ahochiraba COVID edi ahochiraba. But COVID was a blessing in disguise. Now even COVID muno organizations bebre ema Ghana ska. Now yekikabuma ebe 27 billion. ɛyɛ video no wɔ hɔ nti atie ahwɛfoɔ betimi ahwɛ
na almost sorry almost say oh at the current ama yesika sema say any COVID-19 na mame kan kyerɛ mo nokre COVID-19 bae no na ya torrenche ma to wiase nyina enso COVID-19 so ɛyɛ nhyira mae if you say COVID-19 abreso amanone ye disika brɛ World Bank disika bae IMF disika bae Obia the Sikabai Sika Ira Yemaimu COVID-19 nkwenti 27 billion cedis 27 billion cedis na 27 billion cedis no wodeti enyamina meka Auditor General na ya ohwe Ghana nkontan na obu nkontan no o say 27 billion cedis Ira Ghana no na almost sorry almost say oh at the current time
okay eti that former President John Dramani Mahama spoke kaye e won kwa ben eti not we no mo fact check here na to say
okay nti no to say the mampanyi da kan ne kohwehwe mu no na say ska Ghana nyaa COVID time no na 21.844 billion
844 billion, not 27 billion.
Debbie.
Said the former president, Mama Kind.
So, percent Bank of Ghana, raised 10 billion in COVID bonds. World Bank, my 1.978 billion.
Okay.
IMF, my 5.566 billion. And I page 8 of the Auditor General's report on COVID expenditure. Now, for person base mako Adom FM online edaho omoko ghana.dubai.org edaho ya hyperlink documents ni nyina eden egu honum enti asema mampanyi dada kan say Ghana nya 27 billion during COVID no enye no kre
Ghana document na Dubawa area Adom TV AUSU ye fact check no na eda wachi no eti documents no figures bia was so ebi eti radar no eba be su se si am actually say former President John Dramani Mahama asemo kan say COVID Emma Ghana 27 billion Ghana cedis no enya no kre. So the radar is taking you to color red. Former President Mahama anka no kre alpha ajreye. Wa ka no kre alpha ajreye. So claim number 2 not
claim number 2 still I catch ahwefo say the obe social media the obetibia the obe social media any also ogidi. It's claim number 2 na National Youth Organizer ma NDC.
Okay.
Giorgio Pariado. Oko posti picture go on X page.
Okay.
I'm saying Nancy mo NDC social media campaign under the umbrella challenge. Mo person mo say we NDC ni abet make a picture. O share chinia ase Robert Wonum. Pariado ko posti picture bi say mampanya be dey che ba o mi ayere e kra join challenge no. Hwehwem na ese nye den. Enye no kre. Etie for bit me ahwe TV no so picture ne da honum.
Eti picture no ededa o TV ne so no. Picture na George Opare Ado Pablo, the National Youth Organizer de ma NDC Abioko to ne social media handles say second lady Samira Baumia at the NDC for chinye esi nutrition no. Sa picture no ededa no. Eti fact check no outcome na say
you hear na enye no kre. Chese sa picture na your picture dey inside den akika. Because you share Google reverse image search ni mu no.
Yeah.
And my say first time as picture na appear online.
Yeah.
28 March 2024.
Okay.
And no Samira Baumia call conference bi Paris, France. Your friend the Change Summit, annual conference so call na person postima na chita for who say on program bisa and mu no the post is we no. And so show original picture na there omo mo nsa keka na there's a difference between then. My original picture na umbrella near plain.
Okay.
But so there
na NDC colors BN
Debbie colors BN.
Na man for me edited the NDC colors e ba sa chinya
nti the catch here for no say ye be kwa about to brain me aka be 80 something days am yakono obehu saa pictures post ni bibia anema bi saa ebe koso amunda omo so we ba fact checking a friend manipulated content. E bia me nya kwesi we betimi afa picture bia post dada na omo de party colors bi aye den
Achihye.
into one here o ma maybe wo e kra we for that question that be na o yi wanim say
Yeah, we end this in here.
and so na enye no kra we example of such content aye ko about your bremi
Yeah.
and say tie for more money nda omo so do one Adom brands e say the obehu bia you very careful as na obeshare share
Eti and also claim number 2 near George Opare Ado aka Pablo, the national youth organizer the NDC the by say Samira Baumia ede design NDC umbrella esilitrational na eye entro na no kreba kokra enim so no so red no edo be color red yet say eye entro enodiye ede ekire amanfo na che da se adope
minya be ma me da say 34% sa 4% mu kan report ya betimi akọ Adom FM online and I say ghana.dubawa.org ubekona your fact checks your explainers and same be a chewa ya checking pepe betimi akọ kan ma ho de kan nyina ne say amanyofo wa otro and say mama you need be a otro for fact no na abatu aye komi no yemfa miss and disinformation enkom
when I say Anthony and so I don't know mama for happy birthday kase and confirm Mama Auntie Becky, your birthday. You wish you all the best. Nyakupo enshra na onyo kese. But then happy birthday to Dr. Susie Aku. And your birthday, Dr. Susie. We wish you all the best. Nyaminko sunshra na onyo kese kopem se obe kese pa. So Eric AJ, few minutes on the Galamsey. Na
Koko issue ni the yanko.
But you need na Galamsey to bet me.
Mo bibia mo mo
start. Nye a fact check.
Mo start ya.
Yes, a fact check.
How many months in
Yeah, we have the 2 months more.
Until they be send them
every Thursday be every day be our station here. NDC. Share and someone among for cake, especially the political leaders.
Someone NDC for cake.
Yes,
last 2 weeks now. Na poko jina baby send this for kuma sofo no mo fa check no
yes
moye
yes
mayo ha
yes
alaje ba mo fa check no
said dem
ensem a waka ne kuru mo fa check
emu dia wo say fa check
da bi ono ni bibia odidi ko so fa check aso no me ba you see me ba senior o kire mo djuma me ka say kwesi do yemi oda me ba
what man yes what's it
oda mate
galam say
bibi nti mate me ntwa so my twa so ba quickly koko issue. This post from Pablo personally make man who just say mu yi wa hana.
So say.
And some JM e kan fa COVID sika ho. I'm telling you the fact.
Okay.
Until say MPP be fear ban mu no. You can never determine sika munya and COVID.
It ain't mean can say the auditor general.
It bet me about some produce fake news crap. Me you see bet me about say let me land. We are dealing with people are more than you see. Oh, senior, let me talk. We are dealing with those in government. Ade bi omo kataso mu mu aso mo di
mo de munya no mo figa munya no 27
je ma ba bonten se osusu se sika se no munya na no mo se no munya na mo pe mo document amagada no that is your source, that is fine. But the me pese me che on say until say MPP aban be fie akonwa so no untimi determine de omunya ne e wo for now.
You wait me fact check.
No, me. I got it. Now me check me.
We fact
check quickly.
Oh, my check no.
Yes. Odeni.
Any fact check no wasem.
When your time because quickly on Coco. Mama be 3 minutes.
Galam say Coco.
What the factor. Galam say do e do munya. Go ba ya okasa no. You could clearly see say omabo mu trimu pose ombeye. Because omo party pending for na na dia dodo de ewu. Ba munya kasa na mo kasa ye nyina e fight. Na ye nyina e fight. Mukunye sika na anye ene mo na eche. It is a problem na ba. Just attack it head on. That is all. Coco. I know almost almost 3,000 Ghana cedis. Ekwa for
3,000 Ghana.
They got 3,000 Ghana cedis. That's good. Now because you nim kwan fa so e determine cocoa price. Say you be determine cocoa price ah. You hwe say the ton e dwaman so. That is the international price.
Yeah.
Na you hwe your exchange rates. And no need determine key determinant factors no. See I no ka say okwa dwaman so a tonnage of cocoa near $9,500.
A ton.
Yes, ton. Ton wo $16.
Yeah.
$9,500. exchange rate omo dey this calculation and sana price in ban 15 cedis 50 pesos nti obo 15 cedi 50 pesos na multiply by $9,500 so calculator obenya say
o say the exchange rate say 16 point
15.5
15.5
yeah
so that should give you around 9,203
very good 9,203
yes
meaning say cocoa bag ba ku bi anka na auto video meba cocoa bag ba ku bi anka na auto na 9,200
okay
and na buy ni so betua mu 3,000 e dia ma akuafo
yeah
meaning 32% of it na de aka ni na akwa buy no why so
Ufi senga ban betimi atwa mo say
no what obi cocoa kuani akwati ne cocoa na wo se auto na 9,200 wo so be man 3,000 why and I'm say why because this poor farmer no ono na was subjecting it to hardship cement are not on 27 and then me crew on 115 what am I say sa cocoa farmer no petrol this spray ni cocoa so they are not 2 liter and I can say gallon of petrol 14 cedis and not on almost 70 Ghana cedis sa poor farmer now cheating no near money fertilizer free and now top bag 800 Ghana cedis
okay
sa cocoa farmer no carry cocoa be a man bonus of 5 cedis for the past 7 years not a peso anyway to ya Indre was the more in a wage because of that and the cocoa farmers elise your monsas the magalam says of which are any negative impact now the yeme yan is a connection man for we from 2017 till date afibia cocoa board boka so we away now what they just imagine Ghana ni awhweme anopai se cocoa board president Akufo-Addo Japade and the CEO a wafa na o manage cocoa board ma na busua no afibia oboka nkobema na atena ho mfienso
okay
na de yemi tan ya yemi abufu kra ne say even in 2024 budget no mo project ye no the project is on beboka 2.6 billion na CEO ben multimedia moti da ben na mo maye adwuma ma CEO a project is afi we say boka say you don't break even in 2017 uboka 395 million Ghana cedis 2018 uboka 78.2 million Ghana cedis 2019 uboka 320.6 million Ghana cedis 2020 uboka 426 million Ghana cedis 2021 uboka 2.4 billion Ghana cedis 2022 uboka 4.2 billion and na me no ka say PBC emu ye see so ye wo ye osehwe ane etie kurase no wa hu hwe na hu PBC kasa akase lodu koko and then for the past 13 months produced buying company workers intimi nti omoka agu so what ba be good nyuma cocoa farmers no what is due no so na wo sia ko di wo headquarters okay. Is that what they are telling us?
But I say Eric AJ kwasi
yeah
but me can say fact check figures we nyina so
na me misru
me amini be twa na ya ma fast
na mo kra be fact check mo host here no
say we don't even trust the media again sana Eric was okay but I think the most important okay say media me jai
why the car say me to about my journalist
kwasi yemko kwasi yemko
tese mo so nem fa so why the car na no da why the car
kwasi yemko
yemu nipa ya na car say Joma Hama ya journalist mo to about my journalist
Eric
me o masa interjections na me kasa o wi an mato aso
yemko
wa bo ame
yemko Eric
so
Eric
so on kasa
opeso ye wa man show
na den o work o man na say
no opeso ye wa man show
den o work
no Eric ti
Eric me tie yemko
kwasi so man na wi a say wa man show
ma men kan Eric say the mini Merrick ene baby an entity in terms of what
yes say obe
eno me go ha there you say communication
metaphor man no
communication Eric
say can some
what here say yemko
Eric say en na mbese openi o sesa ana say o kasama pani a o post no bibia na say ho ye de ete but Eric
na dey na okay kan say
na say na po ankasa kura kasa ma na kasama no ebuo
and I'm seeing na pokura kasa
ma na kasama no ebuo
na pokura kasa
let me use let me use
na me na po one kasa make sense
I just feel say kasa ehonte kasa ehombu because untimi kasa na pokura kasa I don't think
now kasa bia just a patch o start campaign dey be o kasa em patch what is a makasa be patch
you should be able to regulate
because
but the edika
obi a utimi kasa obi akuma
sofo Eric no Eric, no.
Say,
Eric,
I'm just being civil. I'm just being civil. So, say, me yesterday, we see
we can time. I don't know any happen.
Me my video be. What am I go for? Okay. Now, our advocate champion say Galamsey there. One more bar on base
solution.
No, I am saying say. I suppose my earlier comment I'm making.
Now, from Watson report.
Eric.
No, because I mean,
what from Watson report on the Kakubwa?
Eric, no.
Because me know no. From Watson committee. Why the commission committee?
No, off and come on, Mesro.
You know what's a fact check one.
What's Yemko?
Kakubwa video no. I mean, he is an executive of the NDC. No advocate.
A former national executive.
But whichever way, since you know that's with him. Now, Chile say, I'm saying your bomb, Bishop Booking up. And I'm some more. Me, I haven't country. Oh, some say to me, so
there no problem say, your boss, I video no, even Kakuboy and Ancasamutia. I'm an Ancasa. Yes, it is.
The Americans say, one more Galamsey fighting. It's not like one more anything different. One more back. Almost so bad of young men, almost particularly when Mahama 4 years a penal.
Okay.
Anyone here, the baby see a groom and the
no bad face, you know, try it years.
O say,
a baba no try.
There is a kind of 4 years.
There be a baba no try it years.
Say what are they host to? But I mean, on the
yeah, more film working. What say on my also open 4 years. I any year. Look at this
subjects. You him say, yes, started cocoa season. Now the price was 1,300 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Say, and they do say 3,000. Me live to farmers and on Mokoye Jumano. Mona Mokoye Mojuma. And this all no say at the beginning of the cocoa season, no, you turn 1,003. Then just within a season, there's a year, a quarter 3,000. They will appreciate it more than the mathematics that you are doing. Because then himself, cocoa prices are regulated by government. Okay. Buying the copper boss, this so cocoa for the whole supply chain, and production chain. We are no at 12 free for. You bet my mathematics in but we be at no 1,003 no. And then you know within a season, I do 3,000 Ghana cedis. That's the difference of say 1,700. Yeah. We jam on one.
Kwasi Kwati, head of public affairs for Ministry of Education. Now I'm saying no. Happy good morning, Uncle Elfama Mustafa Said. Ya share every Kumase Breman Abusio Krua. Thank you for joining us this morning. Menini Akwasi, Ochanopa. Your Kumokesi be Eddie on Bedroom background.